guys, another day, another vlog. Nasa parking tayo ngayon and we're heading to Marriott Grand Ballroom. We have an event and come with me for today's vlog.
Floor selected is a restricted floor.
Okay guys, we're going to Marriott Hotel. Let's have a few stroll before we head to Marriott. In fairness, may mga Watsons dito. Although, sarado pa yung mga night market. Let's see if makakadaan tayo ulit later. Sometimes I'm just feeling down.
Sorry, I don't know the words. I never really learned it like that. Or you don't even know the words of it. But she said she loved me. Oh, you must think I'm dumb. And maybe you're right, and maybe I'm fine, and maybe I won't make it till next week.
In fairness, may 7-Eleven and coffee. Pick up coffee.
Next week, what's that gotta do with this? I'm checking out. What's that gotta do with this? I'm checking out.
Okay guys, for the meantime, let's have 7-Eleven for our first meal. Ito lang yung ano natin, meal, snack. Since around 10 AM in the morning, mag-ano muna tayo, hot dog and pineapple juice. Excuse my microphone, tamang ano muna tayo, earpods from Apple Store. Pero hindi ko naman in-expect yung init ngayon, grabe. Pero expected kasi Manila. So, ayun. Parang, how many degrees? I didn't check the weather, but yeah. It's so very hot here. Like, I have few strolls around the Newport City and pinawisan ako ng bigla. Hindi ko in-expect. Pero, ayun. Let's have first sip ng ating pineapple juice. Ah, Lord, ang init. Grabe. Nakalimutan ko pang kuhanin yung tissue. Sarap, grabe. So while I'm strolling, it's not bad because it's like a BGC area. They have 7-Eleven, Lawson, Starbucks, Watsons, and any services, plus fast food chains and some restaurants. Let's eat. Ito naman yung hotdog, prepare natin. I ordered, I think, ano ba to? I think with cheese, but yeah, yummers. Okay guys, first bite. Never gets old. Sarap pa rin. Yummy. Oh guys, first meal with a view. Oh, pak. Love it. Okay guys, we're done. Let's go na to Marriott Hotel. Okay guys, we're heading to Marriott and then doon muna tayo magpalamig.
Yeah, yeah. Just give me the word, I'm there. Na 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 na. Hey, okay. You ready? Oh man, we have got a good thing. You know it. Let's get this party moving on and on. Love is in the air. sequel. But I think it needs a sequel. You're looking like a smoothie.
Okay guys, we're here. We're in. Love it. Let's have few shots.
Sometimes I'm just feeling down. Sometimes I'm just feeling down. Oh, sometimes I'm just feeling down, down, down. Oh, I run my way, oh, I run my way home. Sorry, I don't know the words. I never really learned it like that. Oh, you don't even know the words of it. But she said she loved me. Oh, you must think I'm dumb. And maybe you're right, and maybe I'm fine, and maybe I won't make it till next week. Oh, next week. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, what's that gotta do with this? I'm checking out. Oh, what's that gotta do with this? I'm checking out. Sometimes I'm just feeling down. Sometimes I'm just feeling down. Oh, sometimes I'm just feeling down, down, down. Oh, I run my way, oh, I run my way home. Oh, she's not for all. Maybe I need a little talking to. Oh, you've seen this all before, haven't you? But she said she loved me. Oh, you must think I'm dumb. And maybe you're right, and maybe I'm fine.
So here's the cafe. Interesting. But for sure, it's so very expensive. Pero ano naman siya, masarap. For sure. Let's see kung saan tayo magkakape. But I think, there are more cafe here inside. Even the bathroom is giving. Love it. Bathroom, I mean comfort room dan. Ba't ko nasabing comfort room, lol? Singapore vibes. Oh, may foot locker dito. So guys, here's the view from the top. So we're at the top floor and let's see what's in here. So we entered the cinema. Okay guys, time for some coffee. Thank you. Thank you. Okay guys, for clarity, while waiting for the coffee, FYI, if you're wondering why I'm alone by myself, because they have their own agenda. I just tag along and might as well have my own agenda because why not, diba? Nasa mall na tayo, nasa Marriott, Newport. So yeah, I'm also celebrating. If you know, you know. Just keep it to yourself. But yeah, okay guys, here's our coffee. I ordered Spanish sea salt latte. Let's have a first sip. kasi sobrang init. And here's our first coffee of the day. Sarap. Panalo. Trivia, my last Deuces coffee is Samoa pa. And I forgot what did I order. And for sure, masarap din yun. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Pero, yeah. Cheers. Here's our coffee. Naglakad ako ng, I don't know, few kilometers. Imagine, from Grand Bowl to here. Pero actually, nag-stroll pa ako around Newport. And let's see if mag-stroll ulit tayo at night kasi maganda yung view sa gabi. While having our coffee, can I just share that I'm so glad celebrating, you know, here in Newport City, Newport Mall, Marriott, name it. Because, grabe, ang sarap. The feels. Sarap ng buhay vlogger. But yeah, you get the point. Doing this, eating restaurants, well-known food chains, cafes. Damn, ang sarap. Wish I could do this forever. But, yeah, let's just savor the moment. Savor the celebration. Oh, ayan guys, walang shades. Oh, gandang view. The flowers. Coffee done. Ang sarap, grabe. Guys, exit muna tayo because what's the time? It's around 1 and balak ko mag-MOA, mag-Mall of Asia to extend my celebration. And I'll update you if I'm near at Mall of Asia. Guys, antibay ko naman pero parang it feels very wrong kasi na I'm wearing this kind of shoe. Grabe. Pang stroll, pang lakad. Jesus Christ. Guys, magpa-public transport tayo. At sasakyan natin is PITX. Okay guys, update, we're here. Meanwhile, nakakamiss naman yung condo natin. Ayan. Nasa likod ko. Meanwhile, grabe. On the way here, gusto ko nagkaligaw pa ng PITX na sakayan. Actually, yung kanina hindi yon, pero nasa other street. So, ayun, doon ako sumakay. Tapos nagtanong-tanong ako anong pamasahe, magkano. Although, na-search ko na sa online, but of course, just to be sure yung updated. Pero ayun, nakabayad tayo ng, I don't know, I think it's unfair. Tapos, ito pa, nagtanong nga ako. Hindi rin nila alam kung magkano. What the hell? Pero anyway, good news is, I'm still happy. It came back the feels, just like the BGC feels. When celebrating my first anniversary YouTube channel. Anyway guys, we're here. Okay guys, we're in. Ay. Love it, may lilabo na. And Maison Margiela. Ayan. Alam na ko saan bibili ng new perfume. Shout out Ethan. Yes, one of our main event, Muji. Yeah. Let's see kung ano mabibili natin. Very nice, like expansive. Plus, they're having a Muji cafe. Okay, heaven. Lots of organizers. Best part, stationery. Hanapin natin yung ballpen, the iconic. Yes, we're here. Transaction successful. Guys, if you're wondering why I'm buying ballpen, even though I'm not good in drawing, good in sketching, and not having a good penmanship, because The ball pen feels premium. It's made in Japan and it's, yung aesthetic. And to be honest, nawala yung ball pen kong isa. Kaya, bumili tayo ng bago. Dalawa na, for sure. Isang 0.5 at isang 0.7. Update guys, nasa food court tayo. Pag short break muna tayo. And good thing, may Chatramyu dito. Yes. Okay guys, short break. We're now at Chatramyu. May last Chatramyu sa sa Glorieta. I mean Greenbelt. And finally, matitikman ko uli siya. Yummy! And guys, actually may storya to. Noong nag-Din Tai Fung kami, hinarangan to kasi bawal yung outside drinks. Which is understandable kasi siya, exclusive, Tapos yun, sa tabi lang siya, tapos hindi ko siya iniinom kasi bawal. Afterwards, nakalimutan ko siya nung nag-CR ako. Well, of course, kapag mag-CR ka, hindi mo na siya dadalhin, di ba? Kasi nga, CR yun. CR yun eh. Tapos nung okay na, nasa labas na kami, ilang few steps away from the Din Tai Fung, nakalimutan ko. Tapos sabi ko, Daddy, nasaan? Akala ko dala niya. Ang ending, nandun, natapon na. Although, nakakalahati na naman ako noon. Pero syempre, kalahati pa rin yun. Imagine how much to. That this is 170, maliit siya. Yung in-order ko noon, mas malaki at iba yung lalagyan. Hard plastic siya. Ayun. Taste test. Yun pa rin. Ang sarap. Chef's kiss. Ang sarap, grabe. Okay guys, recap tayo. So, early morning, nasa Grand Ball tayo. Doon na kami naghiwalay kasi yun nga, may agenda sila. And may agenda ako. Then, nag-stroll tayo. Well, actually, dapat mag-aano muna ako, Newport Mall for coffee. Pero na doon na tayo eh. So, ang nangyari, kumain na tayo. Light snack. Tapos nag-stroll. I think it's quick stroll. Tapos nag-coffee sa Deuces. Tapos nag-stroll din sa loob. Actually, dapat pupuntahan ko yung mga East Wing, West Wing, and other malls doon. Pero baka kasi gumalap mamaya kasama sina mother. Pero, actually, parang pinagsiksik ko na rin yung oras. Kasi gusto ko din mag-Mall of Asia. To buy Muji pen. Of course, ito yung Chatramyu. Tumingin sana ng, sa surplus. Few pieces na pangbahay shorts. Then, Terra Nova, maybe. I'm looking for sweatpants na color black. Let's see if kakain tayo ulit dito. Maybe, Lawson. And kung napapansin nyo guys, kumakain lang ako sa mga convenience store kasi let's be practical. If as much as I want mag-restaurant, fine dining, kahit mag-isa ako since I'm celebrating. But yeah, let's think the price. Kasi imagine, how much lang yung kinain ko until today. If minitira ako, I can buy something else. Diba? Imagine kapag nag-fine dining tayo, di ubos agad yung pera natin. Even though if I have enough money, but yeah, doon tayo sa makakatipid. Well, at least masarap naman to. At masarap din yung mga kinain ko. Satisfaction. But yeah, ang sarap. And babalik ako mamaya. Mga around 4 or around 5 sa Newport City. Sa Marriott and Newport Mall. Let's see, update ko kayo after ko ubusin to. Guys, check na lang tayo sa Urban Revepo. Since galing ko sa surplus, wala hinahanap ko. Update guys, unfortunately, aga nila natapos. And yung mga hinanap ko, wala doon. And naubos na yung oras natin, unexpected, unfortunately. But it's fine, at least nakapag-stroll tayo kahit konti. And celebrate na rin ang if you know, you know. But yeah, I'm heading back to Marriott. See you there. Okay guys, we're back. Actually, it's fine and no prob. Kasi nakilang beses naman tayong MOA for the past few years and months. And nakailang vlog na rin tayo sa MOA. Pero quick rant, grabe. Time check is around 6. Sobrang traffic and naglibot pa ng baklaran. Wait. Pero, ayun. Back to good mood because we're back. We're back at Newport City. Yes. Newport at night. We are back. Grabe guys, nakagod ako sa biyahe. Mag-cigar muna tayo. Sobrang oily. Singapore vibes ulit, but different point of view. So now we're entering the another wing to find mother. Nandun sila. There they are! Found them! Change outfit na sila.
Sorry.
Oh, tapat kami ng Gordon Ramsay. Yes. Okay guys, let's have an update for the night version. Oh, ayan guys. Nagalaw pala yun. Perfect. Really. Okay guys, we're now in Marriott Hotel. Ang init pala, pero nasa terrace kami ng Marriott. Yes. Dilim. Naka-exit na kami via Grand Ballroom. Oh guys, update. Bukas na ang night market. Sa kabilang side nga lang tayo. Ayun na nga guys, ang sarap. Okay guys, update. We're now at Angel's Pizza sa Newport City. And energy level natin ay medyo lobat na. And kumain tayo dito kasi, you know, gold sa loob ng Newport Mall. And we're just waiting for our orders. Update ko kayo kung ano order namin. Okay guys, here's our order. It's Tlibonga and ating favorite na spinach. Of course, i-partner natin ng chicken. And maiba naman, lychee drinks. Dalawa pa yung order. Sarap. Happy eating! Okay guys, first bite. Chicken naman, chicken. Balat pa lang, masarap na. We're done for today. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.